Ben here from Solar and Sat, and today in the workshop we have this cross-country caravan from Kedron, where we've done a big solar upgrade, a nice sized battery system paired with an inverter charger, as well as the Satking Promax automatic satellite system. Let's go take a look inside at some of the pretty stuff, and then we'll show you the battery system on the outside. Coming inside now, we've got two nice bits of kit over in this corner here. We've got the Victron BMV712 and the Victron multi-control, which are responsible for the monitoring of the system and controlling the AC side of it. Now, starting with the monitor, you can scroll through the settings here with the plus and the minus, lets you see what your main battery voltage is, and as you go through you can see what the current draw is, as well as your battery percentage to let you know how full that battery bank is. Below that, we've got an exciting bit of kit here that's normally installed when we install the Multi-Plus. The idea of this fella here is you can turn your inverter on remotely without having to go outside and manually turn it on. You can probably hear some things coming on around the place. It also comes with a current limit. This lets us, if we're plugged into a 10 amp plug with like one of those amphibian units, you can turn it down to 10 amps so it won't pull more than 10 amps through that power point. Or if you're plugged into 15 amp at a caravan park, you can allow it to use the full 15 amps. Now that I've turned this on, all the power points around the van will be live, including the aircon and the microwave, which we'll show you now. Come over to this aircon now, we'll press the on button here, set it to a nice chilly temperature, and get that fan going. There we go, that'll get some cool air moving through here. Perfect. With this on too, we can actually use that BMV battery monitor to see exactly how many amps it's pulling, and the customer can work out how many hours he's got to cool himself down before he should turn it off and let his batteries run him through the rest of the night for his fridge and whatnot. We'll turn that down now so it's not as loud. And let's take a look at the satellite system we fitted. We'll open up this cupboard where we've installed the control units for the Satking Promax automatic satellite system. They're a pretty flash bit of gear, but they're pretty much the smallest one available on the market. In terms of fitting all the solar on the roof to keep the aircon on, it was pretty well our only choice. They make for a good unit. They're a two-touch control, so you press the power button, wait a little bit, press the OK button. That'll lock in to get your TV almost anywhere in Australia, and this particular customer can do it while sitting in the aircon. Let's take a bit of a look at this awesome power system we've done in the front here. We've got 400 amp hour Energive B-Tec lithium battery. We've got the Victron 12 3120 amp multi-plus inverter charger, two 100-50 Victron solar regulators, and a Energive 40 plus DC to DC charger in there as well. Paired finally with that Victron shunt, which controls that BMV712 on the inside. In this system here, we've married up some of the best brands from some of the best names in the industry with a flat 5-year warranty across the whole system. This should comfortably keep this customer powered wherever he wants for as long as he wants. If you want something just like this, something similar, something bigger or something smaller, just give us a call at Solar and Sat and we'll get you sorted.